So this is our male block figure that we have learned in our previous session, and now on this only I'll let you know how to do its fleshing. So fleshing के लिए we have to basically observe the curves, the body curves that occurs on a male body. Each and every detailing that we have to keep in mind. So you can use cartridge sheet. You can paste a cartridge sheet over here and then make curve on it, so it will get easier for you, but I am teaching directly on this right now. For the block figure instruction, you can watch my previous video. And for the male one, let's just start. So I'm teaching you directly, so you can get a better reference and you can learn easily for that. So for males, firstly what you have to do is make the half circle like this, and then just make the jawline at the half. So jawline at the half and make the semicircle. Once this is done, जितना हमने यहाँ से ये डिस्टेंस लिया है, इधर से थोड़ा सा आगे shift the line closure and then draw two lines like this, two lines like this, and this will our face. This is our face right now. जहाँ पे हमने jaw lines रखा है, there will be our ears. So now let me just keep highlighting this with a blue sketch pen, and for that let's just start. So this is for your better reference, not for you to do the same thing. It's totally optional. And this is how. So now we have got our head section. Now this is our neckline and we have to join this distance. So starting from here to here, we have made a slight curve like this. That's it. So we have to make two slight curves like this, and let me again just highlight this way. Now in shoulder we always do mistake, and what's that mistake is, from this point to this we make our shoulder curve straight. Shoulder curve straight means what we do is, if these are our shoulder, what we do is we make the curve, we make it like this, but this is totally wrong. So for easy method, and that is why I have shown this slope in the block figure. So best thing is, firstly draw the ball joint. Here is a bone and here is a joint basically at the shoulder point. So make a small ball, and then from this point to this point we have to join it by a curve. So if there is a ball, so the curve goes like this. So how it will go? Like this. यहाँ पे we have a ball. So this is the easiest method. So make an imaginary ball like here, then from this curve to this joint. Similarly make imaginary ball here, and remember this should be of same size. It shouldn't be like you have made a small ball here and wider ball here, and the curve will then go like this way. So ये गलत हो जाएगा. This will go all wrong. So what we have to do is make the circles of same size and then just make a smooth curve. Right? So this is the right way to do the shoulder curve, and then it will go like this. So you can see here is a slope. यहाँ पे here is a slope. It's not like कि हमने यहाँ से ऐसे join कर दिया. It's like this. So an easy way to check this is that draw a straight line draw a straight line. Here there is no difference and here is a lot of difference. So this is the correct way, this is the wrong way. So this is the easiest way to check. Then the second mistake that mostly comes is here. What we always do is, what the illustrators, beginners has confusion is, they make the armpit as well as the chest area at the same level. This is not how it should be done. The chest always lie below the armpit area. So for that, this is the chest line, and what we are going to do is, we will take the curve slightly downward and like this. So you can just make two lines, make the curve and this. Extend this line like this. So now there is a difference in this armpit point and this chest line. So armpit is basically here, but because his hand is quite closer to our body from here, so it is appearing to be starting from this point, but it's not like that, it's from this point. So we have to extend this line. So the chest will come downward, bit downward from this line. Then another point is, this is the waistline, and from waistline there will be a navel point below that, bit below. And here we are going to show some muscles in the biceps and abs in this area. So for that, firstly mark your six packs, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, equal distance from here as well as here as well as here, right? So now, because here is the abs impression, we are giving the abs, so definitely it will not go straight from here. So what we have to do is give some impression like this, give some impression like this, and join from above and above and above. Rather than, what we did is, rather than doing this or rather than doing this, these two are wrong methods. But what we have to do is mark, mark and mark. It should be like in a curvy line. So we have marked, then we have joined, we have joined and we have joined. So now this has come in this formation. So this is what we need to done, and these two are wrong method. The curve should never be like this. So remember to do it like this way only. So let's just mark, mark and mark, and then join, join and join. Right? So this is done. Now coming on to the hip area. Hip area in females, it is totally okay. It is totally okay to make wider hips. We can just make them itna wide, then itna, and then even we can make it quite flat. But in males, if we will make it much wider, it will look awkward. So we have to maintain a proportion. Let's make it enough wide, like this much only. So just join this. So similarly, let's just mark a distance, itna. Cool. After that, we have already given the knee curve. So here is the starting of our calf area, and here is the knee joint. So make the joint first, then join this line to this in one stroke. In one stroke, what it means, if it is starting from here and it is ending from here, so stroke should be one. Got it? So this is the correct method. So let's just join it straight to here. After that, coming on to another point, that is ankle point. So this is the tip, that wherever the joints are coming, just draw those points first, and then, so this is the ankle point over here, this is the calf area, and the lines are already given. So we will make a curve smoothly to here, both the sides, and again do it in one stroke. That will be good for you. And after that, here's a crotch point. So because it is a male figure that we are making, in female what we used to do is we give a shape like this, and we will draw our crotch like this. The leg will go like that, right? This is a female crotch thing that we used to make. But in male, what's the difference? We have to shape this as V. So we will just extend this to here, extend this to here. That's it. So from now, it's better to just give this extension first and then make your curve. What we did is we just extended this curve. So this is the crotch thing that we have to mention over here. After that, from this area, we will show a distance from in both the legs. So till this point, till the knee point, let's just show some different distance like this. All right, this is done. And then because there is a calf area over here and knee के बाद हमें थोड़ा सा ऐसे गैप दिखाना है, we have to show some gap, and then again make it curvy till the ankle. So what we did is, let's just do it again. Here was our knee point. यहाँ से we have to show some gap. Here is the knee, and then we have made our calf again. And from there, continue from the hip and calf. So leg का basically जो एक कर्व है वो ऐसे बनेगा till the ankle point, और एक कर्व पहले अंदर जाएगा, it will go inward and outward then. So this is the strategy we have to follow in our male figure in the legs. Then coming on to this, our toes. So what's the best way to do our toes is that just let me just erase this. Let me erase this N. Then draw two lines first, and the distance should be equal. This and this distance should be equal. After that, draw two parallel lines from here. Done till here. After that, make thumb. Now what is it? If you will observe your toes, your fingers are going aligned both the side. The length is same, but what's the difference is your thumb is wider and other fingers are thinner. So make the thumb wider and then make 4 equal size finger. Done. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join, and done. So if I just highlight all of this, so it is looking like this, yeah, and the ab impression, your hip to knee, always do that in one stroke so that your stroke will come very smooth and good. It's always better to do that in one stroke, and always stop where there is a joint or any ball point. So Then there is ankle and thumb. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thumb 1, 2, 3 and 4. And ta-da! Now coming on to hands, and that is even more easier. Firstly, as I said, make the joints. So here is the elbows that lie. So what we have done, let's check it out again. 1, 2, this. So we want to show biceps over here. So for biceps, let's do one thing. Let's make a line, imaginary line like that, and till the shoulder to this point, make your curve like this, both the side. And remember, this is the important fact, if you are making curves like this, so you have to make another curve starting from this point, not from this point. अगर आप इस पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करोगे तो ये बलून शेप आएगी, दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. सो वेन एवर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस काइंड ऑफ फिगर, सो वॉट वी हैव टू डू इज नॉट फ्रॉम द एंड पॉइंट, बट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट एंड मेकिंग अ कर्व लाइक दिस. सो हेयर, this is the correct way. Now same thing here, we have ended it here, and not from the end point but from this point. Let's just make it till elbow. Let's just make it till elbow. Done. Same thing, इस imaginary line तक we have to make our curve, then not from the end point but from above, and done. Till the elbow it's done. And here the same formula will go that we have done in the female figure. So it will be more curvy from upward and straight from downward, curvy from upward, straight from downward, curve from upward, straight from downward, curve from upward, straight from downward. And this is done. After that, the easiest way for fingers is, we have already given the proportion. So starting from the thumb, we have to just make it curve from downward section. Thumb is already given. Similarly here, then make the fingers like this. Similarly downward curve, bit downward curve, and make the fingers. So let's just let me do in one stroke. So from the shoulder to this, here, elbow, and this. Done. This. Alright, so this is how we will do our male flesh figure. So mention each and every curve nicely. So you have to show ears besides the jawline, make the curve nice. And yeah, you can add, don't add the collarbone like in this form. Not do it like this. Do not do it like this in the male. But yeah, you can just add some impression. That's it. You have to remind and remember that there should be slope in your shoulder. There should always be slope in your shoulder, the crotch point, the ab thing. And never start your curve from the end. Never do that. Make sure your strokes are coming in one time only, so that your figure could be better. Remember these points and your male croquis will always rock. So do a lot of practice. Thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing my videos, keep liking, and stay tuned at my channel. Like, share and subscribe.